Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit pizza using an easy method. First, preheat your oven to the temperature specified on your biscuit package, usually around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, lightly grease a baking sheet. Open your can of biscuits and separate each one. You'll be surprised how quickly this comes together for a satisfying meal. Now, let's get those biscuits ready to become pizza crusts. Take each biscuit and gently flatten it with your hands or a rolling pin. You want them to be about 3 to 4 inches in diameter and roughly 1/4 inch thick. This creates a perfect base for your toppings. Arrange them on the baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. With your crusts ready, it's time for the fun part: toppings. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of your favorite pizza sauce onto each flattened biscuit, spreading it almost to the edges. Then, sprinkle on some shredded mozzarella cheese. Add any other toppings you love, like pepperoni or cooked vegetables. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crusts are golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once your biscuit pizzas are out of the oven, let them cool for just a couple of minutes. They'll be hot, and a short rest helps the cheese set. These mini pizzas are perfect for a quick lunch, a fun dinner, or even as appetizers for a gathering. They're so versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.